Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So these are two Snowsky DACs from FIIO and their model number is Tiny A and Tiny B. So the Tiny A has two ports. One is 3.5 mm balanced output for headphones and earphones, and the other port is of USB-C for charging purposes. So let's see how does that work. And the other is Tiny B with two ports. One is 3.5 mm and the other is 4.4. So I have both. One is silver color and the other one is black. So let's unbox these. And I also want to tell you that this is my first time trying something like this. These type of dongles exist, but I haven't tried these before. So you can see very simple packaging. So these are some manual and this is the quick start guide. So you get these two papers inside the box and your main product. Let me zoom in for you. So I will unbox the other one as well. This is made of metal and the finishing is actually very good, and this is its price. It's just $23. So and it is available in 3 colors. So let me use it for example. So let me unbox the other one as well, and then I'll tell you more about these. So I have unboxed both these Tiny A and Tiny B, and actually I am surprised to see the size difference because I didn't knew that both these have different sizes. This is Tiny B and you can see it is a little bigger than the Tiny A. Let me show you the exact sizes. Well, I still cannot understand why this is bigger and this is not. Is this made purposely or just because this one has USB charging port and this one doesn't have, and it has 4.4 mm and the power needs to be distributed well on both ends. So I don't know the exact reason, but I'm surprised. So if you need the Tiny B, you can go for it, but I think I like the Tiny A more because of course it is tiny. It is tiny too, but when we have a mini tiny, then you always go for the exclusive one. And this also has USB port which can be used in emergency cases, but not too often. But there are people who are much more into their phones, so I think this will be a good addition for them. So let's see what we get here. You get precise PEQ tuning, you get support inline controls as well, which means you can use your microphones as well, which is the most asked questions in DAC's videos, and listen and charge simultaneously, of course. So let's plug in this one. So it is that easy. So I think I really like it. Oh wow, so actually I really like it because this is my first time trying a device like this, so the review can be late, so that's why I will publish the video very earlier, because I think I may use it like for a month and then I will be able to judge it because I have never used a dongle like this. I have always used dongles like this, so this will be my first experience with them, so that's why the review can be late. So I will publish the video earlier, so I think I will like it. I think there is nothing bad in it. And if I go into the control app of FIIO, this is the FIIO control app. Add a device into it. You can clearly see that the Snowsky Tiny is available. There are other devices available too, and then you are in control. For example, you can off the inline microphone as well, but there is no need for it. This is the indicator light. You can see that it has been turned off, so like you are in full control of your DAC. If we go to the EQ options, you can do whatever you want. Similarly with the audio, let's test it and then see that if it works well or not. So now I will go and listen to it. Well, even if the sound is not balanced, I think you can make it balanced through the FIIO control app, so it's not a big deal. So I recommend it. Welcome to my short review section. I have used both these for one day and now I'll present my honest opinion to you guys. The sound was good. It was a proper functioning audio coming out. It was balanced and had some detail as well. I saw no difference in terms of sound comparing it to other regular dongles. Yes, I had a hard time using these tiny DACs because I'm not used to it, so that's fine. I was having difficulty handling or grabbing my smartphone properly, but eventually it will go away, and they fit properly inside the smartphone. I mean, they are very stable for now because it's just one day. Finally, now I'm going to tell you something interesting about Tiny A and Tiny B. Although both these devices have almost the same audio quality, but I found some difference, that Tiny B has actually more depth into its sound performance. I don't know why I felt this, but there is a slight difference which can only be noticed when you have both these devices. But I recommend both of them because the sound is almost same and is very balanced and perfect. And besides this, I didn't see it get hot while using it, or maybe because the winter is almost here, so I didn't feel it. Probably it may get hot in extreme environments, but I'm not sure about it. So this was my first time that I tried these tiny dongles and I am impressed and I really approve this. You can buy them and you won't be disappointed. So that's it. I don't have anything else to say.